Hello Doc, okay lang po ba everyday gamitin yung salicylic acid? Well, this depends on the concentration of your salicylic acid. If your salicylic acid concentration is around 0.5 to 2%, yes, it's very safe to use it daily. As long as kung mag-apply kayo guys sa inyong skin, kailangan manipis lang. Huwag naman masyadong marami ang pag-apply ng ating mga skincare na may acids. Kasi syempre, pag hindi tama or nasobrahan ang skincare na ginagamit natin sa ating skin, of course, magkakaroon po talaga ng chance for irritation. So guys, it's very used to use salicylic acid every day, especially if you have very oily skin. Salicylic acid, I've observed, is, I think, the best acid in terms of Filipino sensitive and acne-prone skin, no? And also, if you have very oily skin, because salicylic acid has the capacity to extract oil from the skin. So, if ever problem nyo yung excess oiliness or sebum sa inyong balat, then salicylic acid can be a good active ingredient for you. And if you are experiencing comedonal acne, congested and clogged pores, the best would be salicylic acid because it has a desmolytic effect. So, what does desmolytic effect means? Yung mga skin cells po natin ng mga acne-prone skin po, yung mga skin cells po natin, madikit-dikit po siya. They have these microscopic arms that pull each other together. So, kaya sila madikit-dikit. So, when they come into contact with salicylic acid, those microscopic arms are basically disengaged. And that actually causes the skin plug, the congestion, and also yung mga bara-bara to free up or to be destroyed. And that's why nagkakaroon po ng unobstructed flow ng ating mga sebum and oil from beneath our hair follicles to the opening of our pores para hindi po siya magbara. And also guys, salicylic acid is one of the two acids that can go inside your hair follicles. The other one is mandelic acid. But mandelic acid, very superficial lang po ang penetration niya. Salicylic acid, however, can go deep into your pores and clean out all the bara there. If may mga oils or sebum sa inyong mga hair follicles or pores, kayang-kaya po i-penetrate yan ng salicylic acid para po pa-free up and decongest and malesen po ang risk of acne formation or acne eruptions. And also guys, salicylic acid has antimicrobial effects. So patients, especially Filipino with acne-prone skin, usually sila po ay may mga fungal and bacterial component na nagkukos po ng inflammation and acne eruptions. So salicylic acid can be good for you. Acne is an inflammatory skin condition, and the salicylic acid, because of its anti-inflammatory effect, can benefit your acne indirectly. And lastly, guys, no, na-observe ko with using salicylic acid for my Filipino patients for many, many years, it's very rare that I see side effects from the use of salicylic acid compared to other acids. As long as salicylic acid skincare is used properly, it's very rare for you to see side effects in Filipino acne-prone and sensitive and oily skin. Alright guys, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne TMD. Bye!